15 women, 15 men, and just 5 minutes to decide if there's a spark. This is speed dating, where total strangers meet and have limited time to make a first impression. If there's chemistry, they check yes on a form and get matched. When the timer ends, the bell rings, and it's time to switch. So why try speed dating with all the dating apps out there? Raymond Kwan tried speed dating tonight because he's tired of getting burned on Tinder.
This one time I actually did get like a super like. That's when the person really, really likes you. But I want to know more. So I actually found her on Facebook and she had a boyfriend.
Some people found out about the event through social media.
Saw an advertisement, I thought, that's speaking to me. It's almost like Facebook knows my algorithms.
Nicole Lee was watching tonight because she's trying speed dating next month. She says apps like Tinder can be uncomfortable.
Okay, my friend, like one of my best friends, he got a message like last week and he has stretched ears like I do. And this girl messaged him and asked if she could eat guacamole out of his earlobe. Oh. And I was like, are you gonna say yes? And he was like, I might just see where it goes.
Geneva Dickey is the founder of Speed Dating Halifax and the brains behind the targeted ads that brought people out.
I set up a Facebook event and I invited all my friends, and what that told me is I'm accountable now, and I had to do it, and I did.
Dickey is hosting another event next month and has plans to host LGBTQ events in the future. The speed daters have filled out their matchmaking forms, and now it's time to wait. For the signal, this is Nodder Najad.